Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to never miss a video from Fever FM.
हाय, मैं हूँ आरजे रुचि, रंगीली रुचि, फीवर 104 एफएम से, and it is such a pleasure to meet the star cast of the Empire. Woohoo! Okay, so I was just congratulating you guys on the show. It is brilliant.
Thank you so much, Ruchi.
अच्छा, मुझे बताना पड़ेगा कि मैंने और मेरे हस्बैंड ने ये ओवरनाइट बिंज वॉच कर लिया, so it is a binge watch worthy show. जो कि एक अपने आप में अचीवमेंट होता है, एंड वी हैव एन 11-month-old डॉटर. सो ऐसा नहीं है दैट वी हैव ऑल द टाइम इन लाइफ कि हम बैठ के शो देखते हैं, फिर भी वी फाउंड द टाइम टू एक्चुअली सिट एंड वॉच दिस शो. इमेजिन दैट्स द काइंड ऑफ इम्पैक्ट दिस शो हैज ऑन अस.
That is wonderful to know.
आप बताइए. You know, the first question I wanted to ask all of you was कि जैसा characterization है आपके इस show में आपका, you know, इतना immersive है. Like we felt we are a part of that सल्तनत, and you know, बादशाहत देख रहे थे हम आप लोगों की. आप लोगों के लिए कैसा था? As they say, you know, method acting and all of that, it's really difficult to get out of your role. So did that happen to any of you?
Well, we were shooting during the pandemic. So before the take, you've got to take off your mask. After the take, you've got to put on the mask and sanitize your hands. Then you have to make sure that nobody comes very close to you.
Yeah.
So as beautiful as the sets and the costumes are, I mean, I don't think there was ever a time, at least for me, I can't get out of this. You know what I'm saying? But it was so much fun that you wanted to stay there. You wanted to be in that world. And, you know, the sets, the first day I went on the sets, I was lost because they had built a whole city. Yeah. And I was like, this is the biggest set I've been on in my life.
Yeah.
And so as soon as you wear the costume and you get on that set, you want to stay in that world because it's just so beautiful. It's been every nook and corner, every detail that the director and the set people have created was just so stunning that you didn't want to get out of that world.
Yeah, I can imagine. Dino, what about you?
Ruchi, I agree with Kunal क्योंकि जिस तरह माहौल था, कपड़े से लेके सेट से लेके मतलब लुक से लेके ऐसा लगा कि when we got on the set you're in that environment, you're in that world, उस दुनिया में उस जमाने में. So it felt good and it added obviously to your acting because जब आप तैयार हो and you see everyone and you see all the soldiers dressed up or you know the forts, even the sets looking so real and nice, it just gets you in the mood and the energy to perform. और हाँ, हम सब एक्टर्स हैं तो स्विच ऑफ करना उतना आसान नहीं है, बट देयर इज ऑलवेज अ हैंगओवर ऑफ द कैरेक्टर बीइंग विद यू. बट स्विच ऑफ तो करना ही है बिकॉज़ you have to ultimately go home and you can't be Shebani Khan and go home and you know it might have been interesting but you see but कहने का मतलब ये है कि it felt great always on the set because the environment was such. It felt really good.
Rushdi, what about you? I mean, it must have been extra difficult for you because I hardly saw your character smile. ऐसा था, इतना intense था वो character कि एकदम से घर जाकर के भी ऐसा नहीं होता था कि oh my God, why am I sulking? That was a character, you know, come back to real life.
Not at all. I think it was something very different that I was doing. So I was kind of enjoying it. And like Dino and Kunal said, the set was made so beautifully. Everyone was so into the character. They would play a music when we would be on set, you know, agar lines nahi hai, to there would be a music playing in the background. So that just added to be in that zone. And I was enjoying it because I have not done this before.
Yeah.
For me, it was very different. And I don't usually have a problem of switch on, switch off. Like I switch off when I'm in my vanity because I can't bring that back home because that's not me as a person. So I can't carry it along with me for that long. I can only take that. I mean, I can only be in that space till it's action and cut. Beyond that, I can't really be with it because then I actually forget what I have to do in front of the camera if I keep on staying in that character for really long.
Yeah.
So, but I really enjoyed it because it was something really different and I've not done that before. The language, the clothes, the jewelry, the diction, everything.
So, you know, ये शो एक उस टाइप का शो है. I mean, मैं बादशाह बाबर से माफी मांगूंगी इस बात को कहने के लिए, लेकिन ये उस टाइप का शो है where आपका फेवरेट कैरेक्टर इस शो का विलन बन जाता है. I
Correct.
don't know, if you guys also felt like that while you were listening to the narrations and while you were shooting it, but unanimously मुझे लगता है. So I was sitting, जैसा मैंने कहा, I and my husband watched it ऐसा 8 घंटे non-stop. And I asked him and I said, so who is your favorite character? And he said, Shivani Khan. And I said, yeah, you know that, right? He's just, what? I mean, this was, one of those movies, wo Shah Rukh Khan ka wo phase tha, jab aap villain se zyada empathize karte the aur hero se nahi karte the. It's like that. So how are you? Did you know that this would happen and ek villainous character ko bhi itna pyar milega?
Absolutely. I mean, when I read the script, that was my first reaction to the script. I said, I told Mitakshara that I'm actually going through the scenes of Babar. I'm actually forwarding the scenes while reading it. And I'm waiting for the scenes of Shehbani and Khanzada.
Oh, really?
So I said, you got to make this guy more interesting. Come on, man. Because he's like, every time he's there, he's only brooding and there's nothing, larger than life about him. But
yeah,
they were convinced that's how they wanted the character to be. I was like, every time Shehbani is on, there's something happening and it's great fun. And every time Babar is on, he's brooding. You know what I'm saying? So I was like, you got to make this guy more interesting. Come on, people. But they obviously felt differently. And Mitakshara felt like the contrast was really important.
Of course.
She felt like for her, it was the Joker and Batman.
Oh,
and
yes,
she felt
absolutely
like,
right.
if I make Batman like the Joker, then, they're both going to be the Joker. So it's not going to be so much fun for people.
Yeah, but Babar had his moments, yeah. The whole खुद को punish करने वाला पूरा जो phase था, wow, that was like really deep and intense. And I wanted that to pass really soon because I saw Babar as a very humble, nice, soft, kind-hearted person, and he was harming himself. So वो थोड़ा सा difficult था for us to see. But yeah, Dino, so you expected this while you were doing this character कि नहीं यार लोगों को इससे ज़्यादा हमदर्दी हो जाएगी?
नहीं, बिल्कुल. जब पहली बार मैंने सुना और जब निखिल ने नरेट किया ये कैरेक्टर, तभी मुझे लगा कि यार दिस इज अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग कैरेक्टर. I've never played an antagonist before. इस तरह की antagonist. हाँ, मैंने हालांकि एक और शो किया जहाँ was all out an assassin. But इस किरदार में है variations. हाँ, वो तो brutal है, but उसकी कहानी में एक हल्का सा एक emotional bone है. And जब एक बार वो थोड़ा कमजोर होता है उस इमोशन को लेकर, and he gets betrayed, so you see a savage, brutal character, and suddenly he fails at one point. जब प्यार हो जाता है, जब मोहब्बत हो जाता है. So I felt there's a beauty about a character where there's one weak moment. In that weak moment, Khanzada gets in.
Yeah.
One weak moment. Otherwise, he's powerful. He's just killing everybody, and everybody likes that guy, right? And if you bring एक थोड़ा सा एक पागलपन अगर introduce करेंगे उसमें, so then people will enjoy it because there's no limitations to being an antagonist. तो तभी मुझे लगा कि यार इसके साथ मैं खेल सकता हूँ. And I played with the character and I had fun with the character. और इसलिए जिस तरह लोग पसंद कर रहे हैं शेबानी खान को, and I feel it's because of that madness, of that and that one weak point. Because in the 5th episode, वो एक scene खानज़ादा और मेरे बीच में जो scene, everyone who's seen that scene unanimously, I mean, people have cried there.
Yeah, I know. It is that moment. I agree.
To cry for an antagonist, and at that moment means there's a certain vulnerability in every human, however hard you are, however strong you are. And I think that came across really well.
Drashti, no doubt that you have the strongest character in the series. And of course, Shabana ji का role भी इस तरह से दिखाया गया है, लेकिन there are grey shades to that role. But then your role is pure and it is strong. It's like पूरी जैसा बाचाहत दिखाई गई है, वो सिर्फ आपके बल पर, आपके दम पर जिंदा है, चल रही है. इतना भार आपके कंधों पर. So कैसा था ये character play करते हुए? Did you also realize that this character is going to have so much of depth in it?
So I didn't initially when I read the script, when I started working on it. I didn't realize the layers of what a character of what Khanzada is going to be going through. But as and when I started shooting and I started understanding, and you start building a rapport with your co-actors, but the characters, not Kunal and Dino, but Shebani and Babar. When you start working with them, when you start understanding, and later I realized when I was watching myself that it actually, there was a distinct line where I didn't have to look negative or grey, but just I'm doing this purely for my kingdom and nothing else.
Yeah.
And it doesn't have to look negative, and I think that came out quite nicely. So yeah, I mean, I really enjoyed playing it because it has a lot of layers. She is very strong. She is very beautiful. She hates her enemy, but she does fall in love with her enemy, and she still chooses her kingdom over her love. And there's a very nice write-up which someone had written with this scene, that you remember that somebody has actually written the whole scene, like why the red cloth and why the white snow, and they've written it so beautifully.
Oh, really? Yeah, I would love to read that.
Someone's broken down the scene and just ये scene design किया हुआ है.
हाँ.
Gone into detail on why it was designed that way and how it looked a certain way.
I don't even know what it is now.
Please have it sent to me. I would love to read it. Yeah.
It's so gorgeous. It's written so well. It feels like she was a part of our show.
Oh,
I
also feel like I was a part of the show. So Kunal, do you feel that all these wars and everything that has happened in the history, even though this is part fictional or completely fictional, however you would want to put it, आपको लगता है कि सारे के सारे war जो थे वो औरतों के कारण ही होते थे, with taking into consideration that of course because they were so strong तो उनके लिए लड़ना बनता था, लेकिन how is it that हर एक लड़ाई जो है जो हम देखते हैं वो घूम फिर करके किसी ना किसी औरत पे बेस्ड होती है?
नहीं, बल्कि आई थिंक ये जो शो का जब मैंने किताब पढ़ी थी और स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ा था, मुझे जो सबसे अच्छी बात लगी थी ये स्टोरी के बारे में, वो ये थी कि आप हमेशा जब भी आप कोई भी एम्पायर के बारे में सोचते हैं तो आपको लगता है कि जो आदमी थे वो पावरफुल थे, they were the ones that were calling the shots, they were the ones that were fighting the war, they were in control. But this is that unusual story that shows you that actually the women had a lot of power. And they were not only fighting for the women, but the women were also controlling them.
But आप लोगों में से Kunal, Dino, do you have an opinion on this?
Actually ये सवाल काफी मुश्किल सवाल है, because it depends, मेरे लिए ये depend होता है situation क्या होता है, और it only depends on the situation, because अगर ऐसा situation अगर शो में जो दिखाया गया है वो वाला situation होता है तो मैं समझ सकता हूँ कि खानज़ादा ने खून क्यों चुना. For her brother being the Badshah was far more important. So really situation पे ये depend होता है for me.
Okay, I would have not done this, but if I was in Khanzada's place, I would have definitely chosen love over family. Kunal, how about you? Do you think, of course, you though went for your sister and fought battles and all of that in the show, but personally, what do you think?
Yeah, I don't know. It's very difficult. I mean, now, we are looking at this story in context of, like Drashti was saying, is that it's, it's somebody, it's not only about Khoon, it's about the kingdom. It's about, who is the right person to rule the kingdom. Our family legacy should continue. So it's so much more than just Khoon and Dil, you know what I mean? It's not one person versus one person. It's love versus the entire future of our legacy, of our family. So I think it's much more than that. And I don't know. We've never been in that situation in our lives where it's Khoon versus Dil. It's Behan versus wife. It's, father versus, somebody that is a friend. I don't think we find ourselves in that situation in life, fortunately.
Absolutely. And I obviously, as super excited, hyper person, I anyway love these period dramas. मैंने तो release होते ही देख लिया है, but a lot of people are yet to sample the series and watch the series. So उन सभी लोगों को मैं कहूंगी मेरी तरफ से, please go out there and watch the series, because ऐसा content, Indian content बहुत कम देखने को मिलता है. So we should obviously appreciate the efforts जो कि पूरी टीम ने डाले हैं. Perfect. Thank you so much,
There we
guys,
go.
for your patience and your time, and all the very best.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thanks, guys.
Fever.